Hey everybody, thanks for being here. Today is Tuesday, November 13th, and it's a really special day because November 13th is actually my best friend's birthday. My parents would always start with the card. This one is pretty simple but goes with the overall blue theme we've got going on. It is by Papyrus and is available at your local Target. Inside it says, wishing you a happy celebration and a great year ahead. Also inside the card is a sticker from Redbubble, and Erin's been sending me stickers for a few years now, but this might be the first time I've ever sent him a sticker. It says, ya boy, and I actually found it while I was looking up a sticker for another friend, and I sent Erin a screenshot of it because I thought it was so silly, but he really liked it, and now he will have one of his own. I always like to include a birthday snack. Birthday Oreos, to be exact. Last year, the birthday flips went over really well. I went back to try and get some more, but they did not have them. So, fingers crossed, the Oreos travel just as well. Though I'm very worried they won't. What is next? What is next? Tawatara pin. Not totally sure if I pronounced that correctly. I'll let you get a closer look. But this is from Don't Forget to Be Awesome by John and Hank Green. And it's actually a reference in one of John Green's books, Turtles All the Way Down. This is something that Erin got me last year for my birthday so we can read it together. And it was really sweet. He got me a signed copy in purple because he knows purple's my favorite color. Speaking of books, next up we have a gift card from Bank Square Books, located in Mystic, Connecticut. And I actually got this for Erin about 6 months ago when I was visiting at the end of April, early May. We both enjoy reading, took a trip down there, and while Erin was lost in one of his favorite sections, I snuck over to the cashier and purchased this book card. Pretty plain design, but nice, tasteful. So I've been sitting on this gift card since then, and you can imagine my shock when part of Erin's gift for me on my birthday in September included a gift card to my favorite local bookstore, Dog-Eared Books. Great minds think alike. Next up, we have a board game. I haven't played this one yet, but it stuck out to me as something Erin might enjoy. It's called Unstable Unicorns. You can see there's like a rainbow motif going on. We've got some rainbow unicorns on the side. Nice use of color throughout the box. The tagline is, build a unicorn army, betray your friends. Unicorns are your friends now. Oh, wait, sorry. Speaking of games, this is a gift card for PlayStation. Erin has a PS2, a PS3, and a PS4. I honestly have no idea what you can do with this, but I'm hoping you can check out a new game or unlock some features in a game you're currently enjoying. Also blue, so. Last, but certainly not least, a piece of art from one of our favorite television shows. And I actually talked Erin out of buying this exact piece of art about a month ago because it was already here, waiting for me to send it. This is from Bob's Burgers. It hangs in the family restaurant, and I felt so bad when Erin asked whether or not he should buy it, and I told him, no, like wait a month or two, see if you still like it. Don't do any like impulse purchases. If it turns out you did buy this and didn't tell me, I will gladly accept this as a Christmas gift. But that's it. That is the Erin's birthday unboxing video. Like I said, I hope it holds you over until the package actually arrives. Feel free to watch it as many times as you need to. Until then, have a happy birthday.